All right, there we go. Oh, we should be able to check. All right. I'm making sure everything. Ah. We should be able to. All right. Damn it, Twitch. I'm making sure everything. For whatever reason, the dashboard doesn't stay muted for me. At least when I'm using Firefox now. So weird. I don't know what I did. And then I gotta find it. All right, let's go though. Let's let's see, where'd we end yesterday's stream? We could recap a little bit. We were working on this house. I added a couple touches to, like, little finishing touches. I think I'm gonna edit it a little more too. Like, this is a little too tall, I think. So we can bring it down so that you can see the window a little better. But then I added basically like a little bevel on the corner so that it's gonna... What is that? My god. I didn't know those had sounds. All right. Nope, I can't actually time you out. How do I do it? Timeout. There we go. That's how I do it. Earcaster. And then I think it's technically supposed to be for 5 minutes. But yeah. I forgot that these were even a thing. Because it's been a long time since I made them. That was funny. But I also didn't know that the Twitch thing was set up for it to make sounds. Let's see, choose. Okay, cool. That's funny though. Great way to join the stream. Alright, well, hello there. Thanks for the raid. Perfect timing. We're just getting started. I see you've brought me the cookies. Thank you. Oh, no one else gets these cookies. They are all mine. Wholesale is here. That's awesome. That's cool. Thanks for the raid. How you doing? Hopefully, how are you streaming? And is it? I guess just Atomic. Hopefully. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Here, I guess I'll show you guys off. Show you guys what I've been working on. I was just telling everyone what I did since last stream. This is my top-down adventure game. I like to say it's like Ooblets meets Animal Crossing, and that I want there just to be a nice, cozy town that you're gonna... You are. How's it going, Green? It's just a nice, cozy town you're gonna be doing and venturing in, and, you know, doing jobs and stuff for. And then we got like a little rocket fast travel system and some other fun stuff. But so yesterday on stream I was getting this done. We were building out a little house. And then after stream I kind of finished it up. I put a little extra room up there. And then I was doing this, which is this basically used to just be a little line to be where you can leave the area. Can we go into the trash can? I mean, do you want to go into the trash can? We probably should get a bigger trash can if you want to go into it. Because I don't think the character's head will fit in this trash can. But I mean, let's write it on the list. Let's go. Come on, who doesn't want to go into a trash can? All right, cool. Let's do that right now. All right, let's go. I mean, we're not gonna animate it, but just the body. Then you can jump around while you're in it. Nope, scope creep. We're only doing one of those things. I like the idea though. I like to jump in the. I like to jump in the trash cans in Fortnite. Just hide. So I like this idea. All right, let's see. That would be an interaction. I think there's I made an interactable base, right? Yep. Hey, child blueprint. TP. Trash can. Well, one is dependent on the other, but yes. Exactly. We're... Alright, so we got the trash can gray. Thing can fill out with that line thickness. Was this one scaled? Double check. Yep. Lightly scaled, okay. Hello, please. Thank you. Wow. This is like 35 by 35. Thank you, Atomic. Yeah, so this is a... I gotta read this. How much is it supposed to ban? Ooh, sorry, Green. It's just there. Oh god, the buttons no longer say 5 minutes on it. Oh god. I gotta type it out myself. That feels even worse. Oh, I don't know how long 5 minutes is. How many seconds is that? Like, oh, 300. I'm dumb. I know. I realized right as I started typing it in, like, I was like, wait a minute. 5. Maybe just half. Yeah, ooh, sorry. Ooh. Don't worry. He can do the same to you in 5 minutes, so careful there. Alright, so we got the trash can. Now we just on... And on... Main interaction. Yeah. That. What's the safe word? I don't know if I want to know your safe word. Alright, that's funny. Super safe. Safe word! What's your safe word? Yeah. Oh man. Is it pineapple? Kumquat. Bot doesn't like green. I mean, it wasn't the bot. Technically. It is a strange bird. Okay. Is it the pelican? Pelicans suck. Almost got chased by a pelican. Cockadoodle. Cockatiel. What am I doing? We're gonna have to stop movement. No. Let's do the player. What is it called? I already forgot the event. Message player. Request move to location. I'm gonna do that. Hello. So, and then the actor is going to be this. Let's add a arrow. No, what am I doing? We just add vector. Oh, you stream for 10 hours there? Oh, yeah, I can't even. My brain can barely handle 2 hours half the time. Just because I gotta rest and stuff. I mean, I think it's the time I stream too, right? Like, I stream at like my least productive time of day, which is really funny. Because I don't want to stream at like I'm actually productive, like 6 at night to like 2 p.m. But right now I'm like normally resting, so like half the time I'm just too tired to stream, and I just do it anyways. We're gonna get actor location, and then we're gonna do the what is it? It's the same thing we do on the bench. Oop. There we go. It's not actor location, but the cube. This is so that we get the right rotation. Hopefully. And then there we go. Now let's take this variable. Close it. And then I thought yeah, that's another game that works, right? I would say less scope on it. The exploring side of My Time at Portia and the sequel, whatever it is, I forgot the name of what is it, Sandstone or Sandrock, that's what it is. Yeah, so like that kind of, not necessarily fully blown that, because I don't want it to just be a, you know, I don't know. It's not going to be like you're fully, like I think there's going to be some like house building in it, but nothing where it's like, okay, you got to build this tool to build this tool to build this tool. It's going to be more like, hey, you have this tool now you can get to this new area. Or at least so far, that's what I'm thinking. Like it might change where I go more to that direction. Because like I like those games, but I think like a lot of them, you got to invest too much time in it, right? You gotta, yeah, that too. But it's like I want it to be literally just like, the fun part is, yes, you can find cool stuff, but it's not about like, oh, I can build a diamond fishing rod now, so now I can go catch this, right? It's just gonna be like, oh, I've been fishing and I caught these things. So fuck you, bird. No. I would say obviously less scope than that. I'm just, that's funny. Damn it. Now we gotta build something where it connects to another thing. No, that was perfect. Also, my Twitch chat isn't. He should be. Unless I timed him out for not long enough. I can't actually tell. It didn't add it to. No. There we go. Yeah, should be. Maybe. What am I doing? It's the event. Interact from event. We're going to just, disable movement. Disable input, maybe. For the player. No, not disable input. We're gonna... It's stop movement that I'm thinking of, alright? There's some kind of movement node somewhere. Stop movement. Okay, so I can't disable it, but I guess, yeah, we can disable input. That's a thing we can do, I guess. Because I was thinking we just do this. And then what we would do... player controller... is basically make it where you have to hit B to back out of it. And then we would just change the model on this to be a 2-piece model. So that when we go in it, we lift this up and show... like the characters in it, and then just hide the actual character. All right, so like visible. The hidden. No, not set visibility. Set. I guess, isn't it? Set visibility, but like set. Where's the... oh, here. Actually hidden in game. That works. Yeah, get player control. No, but get player controller. I think we actually accidentally killed green. My bad. I didn't realize the timeout room had no air in it. Apparently. Seems. Cockatoo. Yeah. Snickerdoodle. I don't believe you. I'm pretty sure he's dead. All signs point to I accidentally killed him. Yeah, see, we can still move. So now we just make the player invisible for no reason there. Oh, and then that one, that player, that one. So we're gonna half implement it is what I really meant. It's there, but it's not. And then I'll finish it later. And by that, I mean, I'll forget about it and be like, why is this trash can making us invisible? And delete it. Now let's see. Let's go here. Yeah. We're playing in trash now. We probably should... this probably should be interactable anyways. So that you could find something in a trash can. So it's good that we did this. So we could do this part, and then depending on what button the player presses, do the next part, and then let's delay this by a little bit. Because I noticed it was still technically moving. But still technically moving too. Alright. Delay 0.4. 0.4. And then... hey! We didn't kill him. I mean, there was no chance of death, is what I mean by that. Nothing comes close, yeah. Oh, can't top that feature. Let's, game's done. Game dev is over. Yep, nope. That's funny. Let's see though. Let's, did you put, no, I got you. not yet. I'm trying to think what to do though. Let's see. Let's go. If we, ooh, a cookie. I am not susceptible to bribes. Okay, and then I'm like, ooh, cookie. Oh. All right. No, there was something in my. I'm trying to remember what I was thinking. I cannot. I don't see what you're seeing. Would you like a cookie? Technically, I'm not a mod. I am. I don't know. The cookie. All right. No, we disable input, we hide it. Oh, and then I was thinking if I do the other thing, it should probably be like, but we should also do this. We should, on interact. No, it's not even you guys. I had forgot without even looking at you guys. I can 100% do both. At least that's what I'm lying and saying to myself. So I was thinking about doing like a shaking, right? So like we can make like a insert trash sound, like play a sound here. It should probably be at location, but and then ooh, cookie. From play sound, we then say, I want to do the animation. I guess we do a little particle. So like we could add a particle that's just like little plume of smoke or something. How do you do with project burnout? You're struggling with your project and it's hard to keep yourself motivated. I think that's where like having a good I mean I don't, right? Like I get burnt out myself. I focus on something else for a little bit. But I think what also helps is like having a plan, right? So like I have what I want done. I have my plan of what I want to get done. Like even when I stream, like I planned on what I was doing today. I know it doesn't always seem like that because I get easily distracted. But like I think that's where holding the scope in, and it's like and like there's no way to not burn out. And that's where it's like, so I try not to work on the same stuff all the time. Like if I was modeling every single day, I'm going to be burnt out. If I'm doing something that's going to take really long, so it's like, and then I like change the kind of tasks I do. Like I can go from something that's going to take all day to implement, and then the rest are just going to be little things. But I take breaks, right? I mean, heck, that's why one of the reasons I've been going to the gym every day is literally so I'm not just at my computer doing this, right? I'll be looking at, most of the time I was just looking on YouTube and then having the engine open, doing nothing. That's what happened with my other project. But like a lot of it comes from repetitive tasks, which is just something that you have to do. And like I think it's okay to be burnt out. Like if you didn't, like it's just like I don't know how to explain it well, but at least I don't think so. But I feel like you have to you just can take a break, do other stuff, and how to approach level design in a proper way. Well, even then, right? So to that, I would say there is no proper way. Right? Like, at the end of the day, every single studio is going to do it differently. Every single person's going to do it differently. It's going to depend on project management. It's going to depend on resources available, right? Like, so it's like, for me, a lot of the time, it's just getting stuff done, but, I don't know. Like, the faster you stream forward, yeah, exactly. And I think that's why, so, like, I make myself milestones, right? Like, by the end of this month, I want all the buildings done for this area, so that I can start a completely different section of the game. And, like, so, like, I think that's important. And there's a reason, like, larger projects have big milestone goals every 3 months or so. So, right? You want to move on past whatever you're doing. You want to, but, like, so that's where scope comes in handy, where it's like, depending on how big your game is, but it's also like, so that's where, like, I would break stuff up where, like, originally, I wasn't working on this project every day. I was working on my other game, too, and doing, like, streaming that. This was on the side. It flipped, because I'm at a point on the other project where I'm just burnt out on it, and tons of stuff has to be done. Yeah, exactly. And it's like, there's also a difference, I think, in just, like, I think overall you just have to handle that burnout, because otherwise it's not going to be burnt out, but you're going to just, like, actually fizzle out and freaking, you know, harm yourself in some way, where, like, you ain't going to go back to anything. Cause, you know, and I've seen that too much, where it's like, don't crunch yourself, right? It's very easy, especially if you're working solo, to crunch, where you're just, oh, night and day, whenever you have free time. It's like, no, set a couple hours that you do it. Yeah, I mean, that's how a lot of, so, like, I would say that's how most people I see are, especially in the indie space. And the reason why is, like, there's no project manager. There's no, you're not being told to finish this. So, like, you do the thing you saw. It's a pan flash, you know, idea. And then you move on to the next one. And that's how I am, too. And that's what, like, why I didn't make a lot of progress as much as I should have on many of the projects, is while I'm doing it, I'm doing, like, oh, hey, I saw this post on thing. I'm going to try this new thing. Heck, that's why the videos, that's literally why the videos on my YouTube are, like, features that are in UE5 main that are coming out soon. I feel like that didn't update and I closed it. But I, like, that's where, like, the scheduling helps, right? So, like, the way I got around that is, like, I was doing game jams. Where the schedule of it is very important. You have to turn in on time, right? I think it did update. Whatever. So, like, that will help you long term, like, be able to complete stuff. But it's also different for everyone. That's why I'm kind of talking vaguely. Like, it depends on your own process of, like, how your brain works. There's only so much. So, like, this is what I was working on earlier, because I didn't want to model stuff, right? So it's like I made a whole new path through here. Hold on one second. let's see. Close this. I think I'm back, right? Maybe. Oh, okay, I missed some stuff. Yeah. I mean, for me, I was definitely burnt out like the last 2 years, I would say. So like, and I was just trying to like that's why I wasn't streaming as much, and then I realized it was just you know, a lot of just what I was doing during the day and stuff, where I was like, I can just need to change this up, and that's why I started this project, and I like it. And I have to play games before dinner. That sounds unfair, though. We don't get either games or dinner out of this. Rude. Alright, I think for now we're gonna disable these. Yeah, so, like, that's why I changed my mind of, like... The funny thing, too, like, I'm making myself to just keep my decisions, right? Because I keep in the back of my mind going, like... Oh, what if we did make this, like... Animal Crossing, where it's like, why do I need a town? Why am I building the town? Stop building the town. Why don't I just make it where the player can build the town? Like, let's do that. But then it's just like, okay, well, if I do that, like, we're gonna have to add to the scope. It's like, it would be nice because then we got the player has to go out and do stuff to build stuff that pads that playtime, right? But then it's just like, okay, so that means for that though, we're gonna need to add resource gathering. We're gonna need to add some kind of currency, which I think I'm gonna add anyways. But like we then need to balance how you get that. We're gonna have to decide how we unlock the ability to unlock buildings, and we're gonna have to do this, and it's like any of those little choices, like, so it's like instead it's just like, nope, I decided already to do this, so I'm gonna stick with it. My next project I can do that, and that's something that I've normally struggle with. Like, first year to know, like, my main project, I've gone back and forth on so many things. Hell, I spent like 6 months on grass and water and just never streamed. And like that's something I'm trying to change with this, because it's like, so like the first game I ever released publicly was a game called Milo's Adventure. I think that's what I said, or Galactic Miner technically, because there was already a something like adventure. And in that game, I spent literally 1 month making it. Shipped it after that. And updated it for, 6 months. And then, like, my next game, I tried to do the same thing. I spent, like, 4 or 5 months on it. That was Cave Escape. For anyone that doesn't know, I released, like, 2D games first. I had them on the Play Store. They're all basically just delisted now. Right. And so like this was my first game. How do I get to the store? My God. Here we go. They've made it so much harder. So like this got removed. But there was like, a couple thousand people played it. And it made me enough money when I was, and like this is the same character, right? And that's where in my head that's why I chose to do my Milo character again. Because I was like, you know what? Freaking the last time I did it, it was really chill. We made it fast. That was it. And then like every update I added a new world. All it is literally an auto. The player's automatically going. All you can control is a tap to jump. Right? I made this in 2013. And so with this, like, I had that mentality. 3D just became a lot harder, so it became harder to do that, right? And because of that, I let myself, you know, let's do this. Like, my brain worked too much, and I got it all over the place, you know. I've released 2 games with Unreal, which is Galactic Miner, and then, or no, not Galactic, Galaxy Rush 2, which was a sequel to another 2D game I made, and then Lava. Lava, same exact thing. I made it in like 2 months, or a few months. I think it took me like 3 or 4 actually. But it's a simple mobile game, right? Oh god, sorry. The Play Store is like just popping up 100 different freaking menus. Every time they, so like this was my first Unreal game. Type of thing. I never released the big, like I did a huge update for this and I never released it. I released one, but not like the further ones. Anyways. So like that's my goal here, is like let's make it smaller. Let's just make decisions that are about and then like it's one of those things, right, too, like the hardest part about releasing a game is literally releasing a game. Especially, and then in today's world, you can update something afterwards. So as long as I have a good base game that players will like enough, I can then update it continuously, add, you know, modify areas, I can add new items, I can do things like that. So even if all we release is something that has a very little, you know, set of things, then we'll be okay. And then I was thinking about it too. Like one of the design things that I overlook every time is I think I kind of wanted to almost be like, if you guys have ever played Sea of Thieves. Sea of Thieves does one really great thing, and that is you have every tool you need at the beginning. And like, I feel like that's something I want to do, and then you unlock... Whoa, what the heck is happening here? That was so weird. Okay. But we'll see, because I'm not sure. I gotta fix that to make it a little less. I think it's because the ground is actually not the correct height in here. Either way, enough of me ranting. Let's get this done. So we got the building's officially done, I would say. This we definitely have to fix. We'll finish that. I do like this idea though. That's a little, you know, that's a little thing that is easy enough to add. That it's not like I just spent tons of hours doing that, right? And that's something that I think is pretty funny. Funny little thing, right? Like, this way the overlay is removed and but there you go. Like, I think that's gonna be fun too. Like, that's why I'm actually really excited about streaming this one. Like, I think we could create some really cool stuff, especially like you guys just did, where you came in and were like, what if you add this? Like, I love like community feedback on stuff like that. Like, let's just add random fish. Let's add some random little things that, you know. Okay, so I think what needs to happen is I need to actually, so let's move this one, and then we're gonna move this whole thing back. Right now it's set up to be right on the back of that, but let's set it up to be a little further, so that we can line it up right on the rock. Heck, I still haven't imported my... That's what we need. There's one spline tool I meant to import in here yesterday. Should look for some oh. Only the I was having issues. Okay. Astro Junk was... I probably should release that on mobile, but I couldn't get the distance field. I need to learn how to do the distance fields and or do what I did for it, because that was a Game Jam game without the distance fields. Well, hello there. I am doing good. I hope you're doing good. We're just waiting for my other project to open, so I'm looking at stuff. I was wondering, I think we should add this. We could probably do some really cool fog gradient stuff. Right, this is all the free stuff I've gotten over the years, and I just saw some low poly cats. Let's do it. Cats are getting added to the game. Sorry. That's just how this works. I'm gonna remake them because I hate that they're all flat shaded. And then we'll just put them on the texture that I have. But either way, it's in the project now. Oh, come on. Oh, that reminds me, I have a doll. Where's the... Oh, I should import that. Okay. I'm having realization. Where's some stuff? I'm just looking at to see what kind of stylized stuff I had. But I haven't actually looked at any of this. Alright. Yeah, so we're coming in this project. The reason why was I have a... What's it called? I think fence? No, it's definitely one of the spline tools. So it's a spline blueprint, which is basically just a little pre-setup thing that you can use. And it is the... Oh, we should import that. That's the sound volume. So basically what this does is it makes a sound, but then it moves it along a spline. So like, say the water, where we want water noise, it would do it along that, like a river or something, right? It's just blueprint spline. No worries. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for the raid. I appreciate it. Yep. I'll be on that. You can, I don't know what I can... I was gonna be like, you can do this if I don't. And I was like, I don't know what. We'll figure it out. No, I'll Okay, so I think it's this, but this isn't the right thing. So that's for actors only. Where it should be... Is it this one? Just the spline static mesh? And then let's set up, let's just say that one. Oh god, what is this? Why is there an empty tab? Okay. Cool. This is... Yep. That's how the editor works. I don't know what's happening. I mean, I know exactly what's happening. It's all part of the plan. We just gotta wait for it to crash at this point. Nope. Hey, look at that. Okay, so that's just a random object. But the plan is, right? So this is what I need imported onto the other side. What it does is we get a spline. That's actually interesting. We get a spline, and then based on that, we can set the number of actors to spawn, which I think this is one-off. Yeah, it's 100% one-off. So we're gonna fix that. Or I think there's a reason I didn't fix it. Hold on. Because we go turns true if it's number of meshes -1. Number of meshes. Am I not supposed to be subtracting here? There we go. I was like, what the heck? Okay, so we can't have 1 if I do that. That doesn't make sense, actually. Because number of meshes, in this case, should still be 1. Oh. Is it this? Oh. Is it that? For each loop. No, because that then makes it off by 1. So that one does have to start at 1. So interesting. Now I'm wondering. Does this just need to be greater than 0? There we go. Okay. See, that math. We were talking about this yesterday. Comes in handy, and I forget about it. Math be mathin' over here. All right. So this tool, and this is what this is what that other project's missing. It's like I haven't spent time like building tools for it. So a lot of the stuff I'm doing manually, which I shouldn't be, like these. I should just import these tools I already have, and I gotta just take my time to do that at some point. Which we will for like certain stuff, so like turning platforms, and like actual things like that will be easy because I know where they are. The issue is my spline tools and stuff. I didn't know exactly what they were called because they're terribly organized. Because this project was built over years of. All right, let's see. Testing, geoscripting, tunnel. This might be something. Well, I can't move it, so it's not that. Okay, cool. Cool. Oh. Now we should totally be able to. Weird. I don't know. I'm not messing with that stuff. Oh yeah, and then I forgot. I did look through my normal stuff last night, and I imported a couple assets. This one I already re-UV'd to the color palette, but it's like so we can have a tent somewhere. So like imagine like a campfire type setting. And then I did a couple other assets that we can just place randomly for like props. So specifically this. So like there's random kitchen products. So like this will be random. We can do like a vase, things like that. For someone's house. We then had, I have this. So I had been talking yesterday about the stores. And one of the things in the main project, Jesus, look how off scale is. This is a building in my normal game. Okay, cool. So we'll have to rebuild it, but the general idea of the facade, that's the word I was looking for the other day. My goodness, I couldn't remember for the life of me. I'm like the front of the building, the something, the thing with the words. Facade. But in so something like that, right? Where it's like it's a unique front to the building. We'll just have to scale it, like, and actually model it like that. And it's like that could be a different store. But it's just a good idea of what we can do. Cool. That'll be fun to do. What else did I bring over? Oh yeah, the door. Because everything's like half. Everything in this game is scaled based on 1 meter, right? The player height's 1 meter. So I was doing like the Animal Crossing thing of everything is based on 1 square. But yeah, so that will be like the other door type. This one's easy enough to retexture. You can literally do it right now. I think we'll also see go like that a little bit, and then so modeling. Take transform. There we go. Now it has a transformer 1. We're not scaling it. And then for this, we'll just not hit the right button. No, UV editor. We now go display, texture, gradient. Right. We'll just have like a maybe do something like this. Let's see. Let's get a fun color in here. Not too fun. No, honestly, I need to finish this swatch stuff. Let's do that color, and then... Oh, come on. Zoom in. Let's see, is this the handle? That's good. It's just a super easy thing to look at. Look for. There we go. Ta-da! Magic. Apply. Ta-da! Gradient. By the way, there's gonna be an ad for y'all on Twitch in a minute and a half-ish. I always say get up, take a stretch. I changed it to just 1 ad per hour to make it where we're not stopping all the time. And hopefully because that, like, they kind of make us run them, in that if we don't run enough ads, like, they'll play random ads, they'll play, you know, and I don't feel like letting them decide when we should watch an ad. And they do like the pre-roll ads and all that bull crap. So anyways, I think I made a command for it. Did I? Let me see. Oh, hey, I need to update that. Yeah, let's stream elements. Frame. I don't get distracted, you get distracted. Dashboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, Other buttons? No. Where's the chat bot? Chat commands? Hey, is it Tygalon? Thanks for the follow. Sorry if I butchered your name. I appreciate it. Thanks for supporting the channel. Alright, let's go like this. Hope you're doing good. Oh, that looks so much better than that ugly purple door. Nice. Cool. I'm excited for that. Yeah, that's a nice door. 10 out of 10. All right, we got an ad break for Twitch people. Some of y'all. Did I accidentally delete? No, there was never a thing there. Okay, cool. Oh, we can set that up today too. Let's so camera. There's one for the bakery. And one for these guys. Box overlay. Basically, that's how you enter, right? Okay, cool. Let's go here. Cool. And then basically what we'll do is there's going to be two different ones of these. And right now all I'm doing is going like this. All right, so this is going to be flower store exterior. It's going to be flower or just plant store. I don't know. Bakery. Oh my god, fingers. Camera exterior. There's gonna be oh. Come on. Oh my god. Rename. Bakery. Camera. Interior. Gonna be flower store. Store interior. Cool. Now this. Hell what? Hell what? Where's the... There we go. All right. Ta-da! Nope, we can't actually hit that one. That one's gonna automatically every time. All I did during the ad break was I changed, for anyone that had ads, sorry, was I just changed where the names of these, right? So that I know this is bakery, this is this. This is like tool shop or repair shop, camera exterior, right? This one's camera interior, because I realized all these are named terribly. Repair shop. Camera interior. Any of these really. I just need a folder of them. Move to new folder. Edit. Rename. Camera systems. Right. Like any of these. Let's just go here. Oh. Nope. Go here, move to camera systems. This one, that one. Definitely this one too. Move to camera systems. Where was it? Where's the folder? Now there's no folder? Oh, these ones are already in there. So I can't move to something that's in. Move to. See. This, that makes sense, obviously, but it's irritating. Camera systems. Save that out. Okay, cool. I meant to add this too. Let's the widget or the widget it creates. We're gonna be all over the place today, apparently. So that's the area message. No, I'm looking for something that's not getting called here. There we go. So blueprint rocket. Is the rocket calling it? Let's. Yeah, here we go. The fast travel. I don't know. I just want to start cleaning everything up. Fixed radius. Do a softer color. Need to like determine what a good color for the UI is. I don't know any UI things. Probably like that. No, I want the buttons though, right? So that's my main issue at the moment. I don't need this. That was just a debug thing. You know what? I probably should always have a thing in here too for the main one, but all right. So round button. So what's happening is this is the issue, right? So when this is pressed, or anything happens to it at the moment, we'll see. Watch. So it loses its corners, loses its color, which technically shouldn't be happening, I think. We should do a common button. For this. Common button. But where are you? Oh. Common button. Not a common button I can? Do I have to make one first? That's rude. Okay, cool. We can make some stuff. Mika, thanks for the follow. How's it going? That already had a common button too. UI buttons. No, that's that one. Okay. There we go. I forgot. Is it bound? No, it's not bound. It's. I know. How's it going? Button base. So let's do that. I will add overlay. Oh, I always type it in the wrong spot. Because I'm always used to working over there. Overlay to get this. And then text, I guess. This can be a butt with text. Do I already have one too? Let's see. Butt with no. That's my other project. So do a text. The reason why we're doing the common text block is you can assign a style. Is it Diablo 5? That's a good code name. My last one was Fortnite 7. Is what we called it. So, alright, let's go here. Style. I think I have a button style set up. That looks ugly. It. Hey, stop it. So, button. But yeah, how you doing? How you been? Hello? What? Apparently nothing is in the library. Okay. Jeez. Please stop it. I don't even think I need to. Hold on. What are we doing? We don't even need the button base here. We're gonna do this. This is gonna be button base. We're just gonna replace it because this is the correct one. Button base we can figure out. Let's see if I had anything on there. What's the other? I forgot the name. How important it was. Excuse me. Oh, we'd already had the round button. Okay, here. All we're gonna do is this, right? We're gonna go button. I don't need all this. Yeah. So let's go here. Common button. base. And this one we'll remove. That way, do this. Say this one, replace with an overlay. And base, we'll remove it. Okay. That goes there. Come in. There we go. That's set up a little better. And then what we need to do is in here set the style. Now, basically all that was I don't want to. They have a new system, right? Well, newish for people. Where you just set it once, right? You can have a universal style. Of things. That way everything that's a button will work the same way. So that goes the whole way. I'm not sure though why that's happening. That's actually weird. On-clicked. Needs to be for the button. On-clicked. Right. Okay, so this was fixed. Let's just go half. Half radius, normal hovered. Half radius. That's why it's going all over the place. Mounted box. 6. Is that other one was, obviously all over the place. So there we go. There we go. I'm pretty sure we'll change the color, but yeah. All right. Cool. So basically, this is that style that you normally have in a button that you set on every single widget, but now it can be set for you on every single thing that you assign the style to, right? So like this minimum, we can make it where no matter what, there's a minimum width of like 60. And now we don't have to manually set it on every single thing. We can also set like standard text that goes on this, all sorts of stuff. The press sound, we can have it where it's on every single one of these instead of just one. The nice thing too is we can set up material and then just on anything we want, we just set this style. And then text has it as well. That's really nice. And that way, every single time we create something, it can be based off this same button, right? There's something with the font. And the size, too. Size needs to... So that's probably us having to ask for more. Right? Like widget fast travel. Not sure why that only gets that much space. Left. Oh, good. No. Okay. Interesting. Let me say UI. I'm kidding. I love it. It's my best. It's the favorite. Yeah, you can see like so scrolling has it as well. Like that's white. It's black. I just have basic stuff set up. Lap's on empty. But like we can see in here that there's a standard size. Let's go here. Let's go at desired on screen. Minimum width like 120. So 100 by 25. Say. $30. Now let's try it. Hey, it's a little bigger. There we go. I think we should still do this also. So here we're getting it. Gameplay. Get active tags. This is the right thing. No, this isn't the right thing. This one. So on this, let's save this index out. If or no, just that variable. The current index, or can I get it? Let's do it this way. Oh, changing my mind. Get length. If length is less than, say, 8. Then get length -1. I'm thinking basically then do this to get length, and we do another for each. Then for this, oh, that's why it was length -1. What I was thinking of. Then for length -1, I guess it would just be 4. Yeah, that's 4. I basically want to do the same thing, right? So we're gonna I don't even need this. I don't know why I'm and then we can set the style to be something else. So like button clear, and then lock buttons can be hovered, focus and press, clicked, click along, go through, just locked. Cool. Let's try it. Should hopefully give us a list of 10. Or not. Oh, what happened there? Oh, you know what? Length -1 for this one is literally just 0. So I got rid of the whole checking all in general. If this is less than 10, I got ahead of myself there. Yeah, I'm not even doing the check now. So if that's less than 10, then take length. 10 minus length, right? Right. That many times. Like that. Ta-da. Nope. That's not working. If length. Not completing. What's happening? Turns true. Well, let's bind this. So breakpoint. Bind, like I said. Okay. At this point, all of them. Oh, it is creating them. They're clear. Probably. Most likely clear. That's what it is. Maybe. Come on. Stop it. Oh god. What was that? Stop. I was stuck in the... Thought I had exited it. Okay. So, what's happening? Is it because I have them locked? Yeah. So. No. Oh, duh. Not that easy. Not. Oh my god. Step 1 of thing. Have you done thing correctly? No? Maybe try. There we go. Okay, cool. We should also do this, I think. Fast travel. Let's do the blur. This has to go all the way up top. I feel like it should animate itself, kind of. This is gonna be the fade in. Fade in. Background blur. Blur strength. Okay, cool. Oh, I need a... Ah! Play animation. In animation. Fade. Fade in. Play. Now it's gonna do a little fade over half a second. Okay. Probably take a second longer for that. We could probably do some like so like this is where fun like traditional animation stuff comes in. Because we could probably like have it glide in and then do a bounce, like an over bounce where like it goes past where it needs to go, and you know adds a little bit of bounciness to it. Okay, and then what I need to do as well. So this is a. I mean, I don't need to do it, but what I'm gonna do, well, is this looks gross, in my opinion. So it's just a vertical box. I think it actually needs to be. So hold on. What's this part? This is a vertical box. Inside this vertical box is a horizontal box for some reason, and a spacer. I don't know why. I can't get rid of it. There's really this be this and then a overlay. Or I get an overlay as well. Whoa. What is happening? Why am I no longer seeing anything inside this vertical box? I can't see. Is what's happening. A spacer. And then it's making no sense. So this right here. Right, and then a child of that. Oh, you know what? Let's just do this. Take that off pre-construct. That's what's happening. I could tell. Now let's go here. I guess probably like that. We go like that. So this overlay. Nope. God damn it. Overlay, spacer, this, fill. This overlay is here to be a background. So we can add an image. And a vertical box. Let's just go image. Okay. Well, the image goes in there. The spacer goes in there. This goes there. This go around it. Go. $30. Okay. And then from here, we do a vertical box. This is the one that gets added to. AV underscore travel locations. So this then needs to change. Where's this instead? UI is like so frustrating. Like you gotta make this box to make this box to make this box to make this box to make this box. Hey, look at that. Okay. So we almost got it. Almost stiff like that. Wonder why we're not seeing this go up and down. Oh, it's just short of that, 500. 100. Cool. So this one, there we go. And I have it sized correctly, but it's not going into it. What is happening there? Adding it to child. This still has one. Yeah, this still. See, maybe it's add a child. Oh, should be fine. You never know. Sometimes weird things are happening out there. Oh, okay. That should be here as well. Refresh. Yeah, so that should definitely be visible. Oh, you know what? I don't think it's called anymore, right? There's nothing calling setup butts. Construct. Was there ever? So set up butts. We can even do this. So event animation finished. Set up butts. Ta-da! And now we just change the size based on our need. Cool. Halfway there. So this could probably be a little shorter. So here, what is the thing I need to do now? Math. No, no, there's I'm trying to think. Like what the best method do would be. like if I'm here, no, let's see. So we're creating our widgets. Oh, no, that's what my brain was thinking. This. So now let's go here. Overlay. Padding. That's the best way to do it. Is padding, bottom. We'll say 5. 5. We'll just 5 all around. And then for this, I think the font's actually just really weird on this one. Or maybe we do padding on the top of, 3 to center it. And then do 1 on the left or so, or so. Ta-da. Nice. So obviously we need to set it to something besides interact, and then we need to set it to the correct setting here. But I think it's working out. And this probably should be on a scroll wheel thing too, so we can scroll this up and down. And yeah, we should probably also make it where pressing this button itself doesn't do it. Do the fast travel. If we're gonna have information on it, I think I could probably take the information off, but because it could be that we get a little closer to the ship on this, where we zoom in, be right next to it, and that's where the list is. Not 100% sure. Okay. Totally coming together. Okay, so go here. Like that. Like that. Interactable, right? Ooh. Modeling. Unwrap. Nope. Gradient. Alright, so the main gradient, please, thank you. Yeah. Thank you. I guess that looks a little better, right? Full texture. LRD. We got that building type, that building type. Honestly, we probably could just do this. Basically. I think I'm gonna take a little break. I'll be right back. Gonna run the ad a little. 5 minutes of playing. Yeah. Let's see. Need to eat lunch. I think I'm gonna end the stream for now. I know. Sorry for the little break, and then I'm just feeling tired. I gotta take a little break today. Like I've been going at it for the last 2 weeks basically straight. But I'm gonna nap and stuff. All right. Anyways, thank you guys for coming in. See if there's someone I can raid. Well, it looks like the streamer awards are starting, so you can go watch those with paintbrush and stuff. And yeah, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for the follows, all that places. You can join the Discord, all of that, and let's go.